In our last video, we looked at a few instant commission platforms. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with JVZoo. There are no out-of-pocket costs to become a JVZoo seller or affiliate. You are able to create as many buy buttons as you wish, add as many projects as you would like to the marketplace, and promote as many products as you are able to get approved for. First, go to http://www.jvzoo.com. Click on Become an Affiliate. Scroll down to the bottom and click on the Sign Up Now button. Fill in all your info and make sure to accept all the terms. Hit register and you are on your way to being able to promote offers. Note, you will also need to have a PayPal account in order to get your instant payments. Next, we will look at how to open an account in DigiResults.